Hi, a good day to everyone. I praise and I thank God for another new day to celebrate His goodness. By the way, nandito na ako sa school kasi na-lift na po yung suspension ng aming classes after the 7.8 earthquake last June 8, 2026 during the first day of class. It's not easy. So that is a very traumatic experience for all of us. But by God's grace and divine mercy and protection, everyone is safe during that time. Kasi by the way, that time, nandoon kami sa may flag pole. So nandoon kami sa may area kung saan ginakandak ang aming flag ceremony. So buti pa lang, hindi pa kami nakaakyat. Hindi pa nakapasok ang mga bata sa loob ng silid-aralan. So, yun. Okay. So, ngayon, nandito na ako sa school. And so far, wala pa mga bata na nandito. Ayan. Some of their back is here, pero wala pang mga bata ngayon. Mayroon nag-iisa, nagpunta kanina to get a module. What will we do? What will we do is to have a survey conducting today to the parents who wants to have face-to-face and who wants a module. But fortunately, most of them wants to have a face-to-face kasi maraming matutunan ang mga bata. Yung iba naman, ayaw nila yung face-to-face, mas gusto nilang module. Siyempre, hindi pa yun mawala sa kanila yung takot. Ayan. But anyway, we praise and I thank God that slowly, yung aftershock, hina-hina naman, hindi na masyadong malakas. Mayroon lang konti-konti. Starting today, parang wala pa akong na-feel na. So, we always remember that God, our Almighty God, is in His throne. He knows everything. And He is in control of everything. So, we have nothing to fear. God is so gracious. God is so powerful. God is powerful. He knows everything. Siya po kasi gumawa ng mundo, gumawa sa atin. So, nothing to fear. We have what will we do? We have to trust. We have to have faith